You see all the products that you are seeing here, I'm not paying a dime for the local shipping fee. I'm not paying anything. Any product you see inside here, you stand to enjoy the plus membership. This is where you get to see if you are going to be paying for any local shipping fee or not. So let me click here now. Once I click on it, you can see it here. It's very, very simple. This is it here. Now, let me do the breakdown for you so it will be very easy for you guys. Now, this 23 here is the cost price of what we are buying. And here is the local shipping fee which we are supposed to pay. Like as a gold membership store, I told you are not going to be paying for a dime for local shipping fee unless what you are buying is very, very big, like maybe 1000 RMB upward. And they are still even giving us another discount. So alright guys, you are welcome back to my YouTube channel, and if this is your first time of coming across a channel like this is the voice of Zion Up Logistics, and my name is Samuel Joshua. So kindly do well to join our community by smashing that subscription button to subscribe to our YouTube channel. It is always free to subscribe. They are not charging you to subscribe. And make sure you turn on the notification bell so whenever I post another helpful content like this, YouTube will be able to notify you that Zion Up Logistics has already posted another helpful tutorial, right? So before I get into the tutorial, guys, I created a new Facebook group where I want to connect all the importers together, where we can always rub minds. Maybe you are having any related issues on 1688, idle fish, and the likes. So if you're having issues, you can do well to join the group, post your questions there. And if you're also doing pre-order, you can do well to join the group, post your items, connect buyers to seller inside the group. So that's the major purpose of creating the Facebook group. So if you're interested in joining that group, you can do well to just check the comment section or check the description box of this video, where we see something like drop down showing on your screen right now. Click on it. You will see where you can join the you will see something like connect with me there. Click on it. You will see the link to the Facebook group there, so you can do well to join it, right? So now in today's tutorial, I'm going to be showing you how you can become a 1688 membership, something like this. What you're seeing on your screen right here. There are differences between ordinary 1688 account and being a membership plus on 1688. Now, the benefit of becoming a 1688 membership plus is that you will stand to enjoy a lot of benefits, right? You will stand to enjoy a lot of benefit that comes with discount. There are some stores that automatically they are going to be giving you discount on any product or any order you are buying from their stores. As a matter of fact, there are some categories of stores that 1688 will create for you that you are not going to be paying for any local shipping fee at all. Yes, it's very much possible, which I'm still going to be showing you shortly in this tutorial. Now, before I show you how do you become a membership plus, how do you upgrade your account from normal account to membership plus. Now, by the default of you want to buy a product, let's assume I want to buy this shoe now. You can easily cut this item. Once you cut it, you will see something like gold plus membership. Now let me click on my profile. Let me see if I still have it here. They are going to charge you because it's not free. They are going to pay. You are going to pay for the item. I wanted to show you how it's going to be looking like. So you will pay for it as if you pay for something. So I think it's a one-time subscription. Let me see if I still have it here. Okay, just bear with me. Let me see. I want to show you how it looks like. They will just write something like gold there. Let me click on this guy here. Let me see if I can still find it, right? So I don't want this video to be a very long one, so I need to just do it very quickly. So I think it has went off. I wish I could just show you, but it's fine. So you just make it like you add it to your cart as if you want to buy or purchase an item. So you will see it there and they will charge you. I think they charge maybe 5 RMB for it. So that having been said, once you are a membership plus, how do you stand to enjoy a benefit of you not paying for local shipping fee and for you to always get discounts? Now let's come to our home here. Now, let's assume you want to enjoy this benefit. It's very simple and straightforward. How do you stand to enjoy this benefit? Just come to where we have this plus here. This plus is a box that stands on its own, like where you can get, this is where you can get a discount on any store at all, right? Any store at all, or any product, anything you want to buy, you want to click on that plus. That is where you get the benefit. Ordinary 168 account can never get this plus unless you switch and upgrade. So now let me click on it. Let me click on it to show you what I have, right? I've clicked on it now. So let me wait for this guy to come up with the full page on how it looks like. You can see it here. It will take you to that first page before coming to this page. Now, these are available coupon codes that I have not even touched at all. You can see it here. All these ones now, they are available coupon codes for me. And they are going to be expiring soon. You can see how plenty they are. Now, this is their expiring date here. This is their expiring date. Let me try to just uh, color this guy another thing, right? So you can see it clearly. Now this is when this thing is going to be expiring. It's going to be expiring by next month, on the 8th of next month. So now, let's say you want to buy a item that have to do with clothes. It's very simple. Just scroll down here. I'm going to be showing you see all the products that you are seeing here. I'm not paying a dime for the local shipping fee. I'm not paying anything. Any product you see inside here, you stand to enjoy the plus membership, right? If I'm to scroll down now and search for let's say okay, hold on first. Let me look for, let's assume I want to buy shoe, right? You can easily click on this shoe. This is a lady's shoe here. It is very easy for you to click on this shoe and go to that person's store to look for maybe the samples of the shoes you need. It's not a must you buy these products that you are seeing here. No. Right now, let me scroll down and look for a product that I'm going to be using for a text. So inside of all these places now, let's say I want to search or I want to buy children's clothes, right? Now, it's not a must you see the picture of what you needed here, right? You can just click on, now this, I'm going to be using this as an example and it will serve generally as what my teachings will be all about, right? So now let me use this children clothes as an example. Now, maybe I'm into kiddies store. I want to buy children's clothes. Now you can see here, this is children hoodies. If I'm to click on this store, like this certain product here, I'll just go down to the store directly to look for other products because I'm going to be getting discount from the store. So, and another benefit of becoming a gold membership plus is the fact that any product you are buying inside of this place is reliable, is authentic. There is not where you can never get what I order versus what I got. They are reliable, they are verified, and they have a good ratings. Now let's just make let me start with this. So I'm going to click on this guy here, right? So now let's say you are into kiddies, like I've said, or maybe you are into this type of ways, right? As per se, as a business person, you are into this. it's not a must you buy this same product. You can easily walk into this store. Now, this is awesome. You can see it here. You can just walk into this store and look for other products that you needed. You can just use this to search for other products that you needed. Or you enter that supplier store by clicking on this place to enter the store and look for what you are looking for. Now, in another hand, you can see the return rate for this store is 86% and is having over 4 star, and at the same time it has been in existence since 5 years. So this is a deal on its own, and you can see here it's having over 50 plus ratings, people that has purchased this product. So they are reliable. If they don't have a standard feedback, and they don't have maybe comments, a review and a standard return rate, they will not fall under this category of this set of people. So that having been said, now let's see if we are going to be getting this discount as a 1688 membership plus or not. Now let's assume I'm okay. I've checked all the necessary things that I was supposed to check in this store before even buying, which is what I always recommend. Now let's say I want to buy. So maybe this is the pieces that I'm looking for, and I selected one, and I clicked here again. I select one again. Let's say I want to buy these two. Now let's see if we are going to be paying for local shipping fee or not. Now you want to click here to check the analysis of what you are buying. This is where you get to see if you are going to be paying for any local shipping fee or not. So let me click here now. Once I click on it, you can see it here. It's very simple. This is it here. Now let me do the breakdown for you so it will be very easy for you guys. Now this 23 here is the cost price of what we are buying, and here is the local shipping fee which we are supposed to pay. Like, as a gold membership store, I told you you are not going to be paying for a dime for local shipping fee unless what you are buying is very big, like maybe 1000 RMB upward. And they are still even giving us another discount of 2 RMB here. This is the discount of the 2 RMB they are giving us. So the initial price we are supposed to pay is how much? 23 RMB, but they've given us a 2 discount simply because we are a gold membership. So now what we are going to be paying is how much? 23 yuan, which is 23 RMB. That is the benefit of being a gold membership plus on 1688. You are going to enjoy the benefit of not paying for any local shipping fee and also a discount. Now let's say I've already tested this store now, and you still want to confirm again if what I'm teaching you or what I'm showing you is real. Let's go back to another membership store. You can see it here. This is another membership store here. Now let me scroll down and look for maybe another item. Let's say, let me use these slippers for an instance again. So after this, then I'll end the tutorial, right? So please, if you've gained value so far, kindly smash that subscription button, then comment and like. Please don't just watch this video like you always do, please. Now this is another product here. If I'm to scroll down, I told you that anything you are buying as a gold member is genuine, is real. They are not fakes. Now see the review. See different people that have given the review for this store is over 200 plus, even with pictures. You can see pictures here. This simply means that this item is good. Talking of the store rating, you can scroll down. They will never disappoint you. They will never disappoint you. You can see it here, 86% return rate, and you can see the rating here, and you can see this store is it has been in existence since 3 years. Now let's go and make our purchase. Let's say I want to buy this product. Let me click on just one pieces here and select another pieces here. Let's see how much we are getting. This is awesome. You can see this is the same analysis that I just did now. You can see it here. The actual price for this item is what? 88 RMB, and we are not paying for any dying for local shipping fee, and we are still getting another discount for 1 RMB. You can even check this site if you don't want to, if you are not satisfied, you can click on where we have this 1 RMB and change it here. Okay, so you can just change it here again. This is the custom price they are giving us for one 1 RMB for anything we are buying. So we are getting a discount. So we are paying 87 RMB instead of 88 RMB. So these are the benefits of becoming a gold membership, a gold membership plus on 168. So these are tips I wish to share with you in this tutorial. So and that is just the free membership package that you can get when you subscribe to a membership plus on 168. There is no longer pay for me. There's no longer local shipping fee, or you're worried about being scammed. No, these are a lot of coupon code. I've already activated this one now, so it's reading. I have to use it on time. You can see it here. I've already activated, so my time is going. I must use this within this period of time. If I did not use it, it's not as if it's going to disappear. It's still going to be there. If I use it, I still have an available option to use these other ones here, these ones to buy from any store. So these are the package that are available, right? So I'm going to be leaving you with this video on how you can track your item with the tracking number. I told you that they recently start scamming buyers on 168. So this video will help you to check if a tracking number is real or fake. So there is a website you can use to just track your tracking number. So I'm going to be leaving it, and it's going to be showing on the screen right now. So thank you guys for watching this very same video to the very end, and I will definitely see you in my next tutorial.